Nice job, Mowgli. Check it out. Wind and rain couldn't stop you. Right, Sam? Right, Sam? Where's Figgy? There she is. Figgy. Hi. Nice job. That was a lot of work. Well done. Now it's a little safer. That's where the tree came from, right by the fire pit. I had a feeling that one was going to come down. Yeah, Figger? Yeah? Dirty little nose. Go get Sam. Where's Sam? Go get him. Go get him. Where's Sam? Where is he? Go get Sam. Go get Sam. Your nose is so dirty. There he is. Go get him. Poor Sam. Leave him alone. Let go of his poor tail. You guys haven't seen each other for a month. That's a long time. Time out? Time out? Okay, take a rest. Whew. Oh. Hey, no digging, Sam. Good boy. Good boy. You stop. Yes. Figgy. Good girl. Have you been in the dirt? Show me your nose. Show me your nose. Have you been in the dirt? Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth now, you two. Have you been in the dirt? Have you been digging?